In this tutorial, we will show the merchant how to adjust a tip before settlement. First, use the cursor to hover over the left menu pane. Now select Reports. Now select Transaction Adjustment. Next, complete the transaction search query. This can be done in a maximum of 7-day increments. Set your date range by clicking on the calendars from date to date. You can also enter additional information based on search criteria for a more exact search query. Click Search to continue. Now enter in the desired dollar amount in the field under the column labeled Tip. Click Submit. Verify all the information is correct. Click Submit again. Now you may review the transaction you just submitted. Once completed, click OK, and this will return you back to the transaction adjustment page.